Hey guys, I want to talk to you about this foldable baby gate. So this baby gate came with 8 different panels, but they didn't come put together. So let me show you how you do it. So these are super easy to put together. They come with the fabric just like this with the netting part. And you have 4 pieces that go to it. So you have a top piece, and this part is going to have the little lock mechanism on it. So you know that's the top. You're going to go ahead and slide it right through. So once you put that top part on, you're going to go ahead and take the rods. These are going to go right through the side, and you're going to meet it right at the top. Go ahead and push that into place. Do the same thing on the other side. It's kind of like you're building a tent here. Just going to put it through the material and pop into place. Now you have your sides. On the bottom, there is a zipper that's going to zipper it up at the end. So you can go ahead and grab your bottom part with the suction cups. Now the part that has the little spring mechanism here, that part is going to match the same little spoke right here. So you can go ahead and push that onto the bottom, just like that. Connect that one. Make sure it's nice and pushed down. And then that zipper I was talking about, you're going to kind of tug it a little bit, pull it nice and tight for you. So once you get it going, I like to kind of pull it up a little bit. That way you're not, it's going to make it a little bit smoother for you to zipper it. Go ahead and zipper it up. And you are done with your first one. Once you have the panels put together, then you can go ahead and start connecting them. Now first, at the bottom, like you can just see, there are suction cups at the bottom of the panels, which is going to keep them in place if you guys have hardwood floors, linen floors, anything with a smooth surface. And these things are amazing, so you don't have to worry about them moving. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that suction. It takes a little bit of effort to get them off. On 2 of the panels, it has a really nice zipper, and it's going to unzip the whole window area here, which is really nice. You can just go ahead, and I like to fold up just like this. So if I do have my kid in there and they're playing, but you want them to have the free range of crawling in and out of their play space, this is awesome for that. They can just crawl right through there. So they also give you these really cool pull-up handles that connect right onto the side, and they're really easy to just put them on and slide them right down. They're going to stay on there really tight. I love putting like little silk scarves on here. Any kind of toys that you can tie on here, they can kind of play with if you don't want them to use them for just pulling up on. That's a great addition to it. Now here on each corner, whenever you go to connect them, it has a little button that's going to push down and it's also going to slide. That's how you're going to get free range. You can see that, of creating any kind of shape that you want. And then once you have it in, you just go ahead and let it pop back up, and it's going to lock that into place. So then you can't move it, and it keeps that shape how you had it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. And those suction cups, you got to really work at it sometimes. So once you have the shape that you want, if you come over here, I'm going to show you how to put it together. At the very bottom, it's like a spring mechanism here. So that part is going to go in this little hole on the other side of the gate. And then at the top, there's a little knob. You're going to lift it up just a little bit, and you're going to slide that right into the other side, just like that. And then, like I said, you can go ahead and kind of, there you go. You can see that clicked right there into place. So that's not going to move anywhere, and that shape's going to stay for you. So this is really awesome since it does come with 8 different panels. You can separate it. You can customize it however you want. You can have 4 of them like I have here in a square. You can have one inside. You can have one if you have to take it outside. It's easy to transport if you have to take it to grandma and grandpa's house. I love it. You can use it as like a ball pit if you need to. This gate is absolutely amazing. You can even split it up and use it as like a room divider if you need to, or to block off stairs. There's so many different options with this. That's why it's a game changer. So if you're looking for a baby gate, but you want one that you can customize however you want throughout your whole house, I highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching.